Well, here I am, finally taking my first tour boat tour since I moved here over 3 years ago. I don't know why I've never done it. I just haven't. But here I am taking the spring BoatNerd cruise with the original Soo Locks Boat Tours company. And you might notice in the background maybe the parking lot's a bit empty for a BoatNerd cruise. And full transparency, I realized in editing this video I never recorded an intro. So here I am a week later recording an intro for this video. So that's why the parking lot looks a little empty, and it is Memorial Day weekend as I record this. So let's get this started. We see some really cool ships. There was a ton of information, but you really need to come do a tour yourself to get it all. I could not put everything in this video, otherwise it would be an hour long. So let's see some ships and let's get this started. So here we go.
Will give us captain's salute.